Now, the different types of sampling. So you have probability sampling and non-probability sampling. Now, what is probability sampling? Everybody has equal chance of being selected. So probability sampling, where everybody has equal chance of being selected. That is simple random sampling. If there are n units in a population of the researcher, he would like to thoroughly mix it up and choose after entering 1 to n in the ticket. So after mixing it up, you can pick it out, and likewise you can select the pop sample. Then the best method to use random numbers. How it has to be used? The numbers are read horizontally, vertically, and diagonally. And the number on the neat card is read. Then the best method is usage of table of random numbers. Next is systematic sampling. In systematic sampling, you have to select a sample size of n from at random from the first k units, and every kth unit is selected. For example, a list of 100 schools from which a systematic sample of 7 schools. So you have 7 into 14, which is the short of 100. The researcher should start from every 14th school. Let the researcher select 6 from the serial number of school. The kth sampling interval, the first unit is selected at random, and remaining units may be selected randomly. Now cluster sampling. Selection of groups instead of individual units. If there are 12,000 dwellings in the city, it is needed to select a sample of 320 dwellings. The universe of the city is divided into wards. You have 375 wards have been identified. The average number of dwellings in each ward is 12,000 divided by 375. You will have 32. So 320 divided by 32 gives 10. Then select 10 such wards. So this is how then sampling is being carried out. Under non-probability sampling, you have accidental sampling. So the one you can get the people available wherever it is biased sample, or it is like hit and miss fashion. You select it in a hit and miss fashion. Purposive sampling, that is sample based on predetermined criteria based on judgment of the researcher. Then quota sampling, sample selected using age, sex, social, or class. Then last but not least, snowball sampling, selecting a sample from initial set of informants.